So today I'll be showing you how I get my TWA from dry and undefined to juicy with all my coils popping and everything. So if you guys like to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. So I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. I haven't put any like conditioner or any product in my hair. So the first thing I'm going to be using is some water, and I'm also going to be using my curl enhancing smoothie and Wetline extreme gel. So for this look, I feel like it always works better when your hair is like really damp, so I like to spray my hair with a bit of water. And then next I'm going to be using this curl enhancing smoothie from Shea moisture. My preferred curl cream is actually the one from African Pride, but I couldn't find it, so I had to use this one from Shea Moisture, and it's not so bad. I just don't like that it doesn't like get into my hair quickly. As you guys can see, I'm going to have to like rub and rub before it even starts to like penetrate my hair, but that's all good. So after this, I'm going to go ahead with my gel. And you guys, this day I have to admit I was definitely like in a rush, so if you want this process to come out like a lot nicer, definitely do this in smaller sections. But my hair has been growing like super fast. I'm actually sick of it at this point, so I just do not have the patience to like do things in sections, like, except I have a lot of time on my hands. Anyways, I'm just going to be working that gel into my hair, as you guys can see, and I'm doing this really roughly. Like I said, I'm really not, there's no technique to it. Like, I'm honestly just, this is how I would do my hair if I was about to rush out of the house in like maybe 10 minutes. So I'm just applying the gel into my hair and kind of like raking the product through my curls. I'm just trying to get it activated. My hair wasn't really damp enough, so I went in with some more water, and this just helps to like allow the product like really get into your hair. Now, as you guys can see, I'm going to be going like in the front section, and I'm just going to be doing some slight coils. I'm not like making a full-on finger coil, but I'm just like twirling the hair around my finger once, just to give it a bit more definition. And I'm really focusing that like at the front part of my hair, and I'm also trying to like twirl it coming towards my face, just because I feel like that look suits my face better. So yeah, if you have the time, you can definitely go in and do this like all over your head, but trust me, you guys, I'm already sick of styling my hair once more, so I'm just really rushing through this process. Now that everything looks good, I like to slick down the sides of my hair. At this point, my hair is actually getting a little too long to do this. Like, currently I can't even do this with my hair anymore, but at the time I filmed this video, my hair was already getting a bit too long to do this. But I'm still going to show you guys how I achieve the look. So I just like to use some of my Lot of Body foaming mousse, and I really love this product, you guys. Like, this is the only mousse I use on my hair, period. And I'm just using it to make some type of, I'm not going to call these finger waves, you guys, but call them whatever you want. I'm just trying to like slick down the sides of my hair so it gives it more of a tapered look. My hair is already cut into like a tapered cut, but obviously the more it grows out, the more it looks like a regular fro and not a tapered fro. So this just helps to like accentuate the whole tapered look. That's why I'm doing this, and as you guys can see, it looks really cute. I'm just going over it with my edge brush, and yeah, that's the finished look. I'm just going to repeat the same thing on the other side. And here, you guys, I'm just showing you another method that I like to use to define my coils. I also like to just shingle them through my fingers, and it gives these really nice like thick juicy curls that I really like as well. So I'm just doing that in the front section as well. This is pretty much all I do. Like, I know this video is nowhere near a tutorial, but this is literally all I do to my hair to get it to look like this. I don't do too much, you guys. Like, as you can see, I'm lazily going through the back, just twirling a couple sections that look like they aren't super defined, and I'm going in with a bit more water because, you guys, water is so important, legit. And now I'm just going to shake my hair. You guys already know the drill, just to get my curls to pop. And because my hair is a bit long, I'm just going to be adding some bobby pins to the side, just so it can stay like really flat. And yeah, you guys, this is the finished look. Compared to the beginning, you guys can see my curls are like popping, my hair is shiny, it looks really pretty, and yeah, I'm definitely feeling the look. this is the next day. I believe I let my hair dry like overnight, and I wore a satin bonnet when I was going to sleep, and I just tied my edges down. Now I'm going to take my pick. Like, you guys, the importance of picking your hair like when it's short, I cannot overemphasize. Like, compared to when my hair was longer, I find that picking my hair now that it's short really just helps to mold it into the right shape. So I like to take my time to just pick my hair into that nice like fro hawk kind of tapered look that I'm going for once again. And as you guys can see, this is the finished look. I think it turned out really, really cute. Like, I was so excited. I loved how my hair turned out. I had to do a little happy dance. But yeah, you guys, this is the finished look. I really hope you guys liked this video. Let me know what you think in the comments. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.